Daily Business Tech Boost with me, Charly Leetham. Hey guys, topic number 324 today. We're going to be talking about driving engagement with our content using email. One of the biggest questions I get is, yeah, but what do I email out? What do I put in my regular communications with my customers to let them know what I'm doing, or my prospects to let them know what I'm doing? I don't have enough information. Well, you do. You do. You just need to think about it a little bit. So let's have a talk about some of the things that you can put in your emails that will drive engagement and hopefully build that loyal customer base for you. Some of the suggestions I have are content teasers. Share a teaser or excerpt from your local blog post, video, or podcast episode. Hello. Encouraging recipients to click through to your website to read or listen to or watch the full content. Now, you notice there what I said was to your website as well. So you're not only going to be driving engagement on your email, you're going to be driving engagement to your website, which is going to have an impact, a positive impact on your search engine optimization as well. So you get a double whammy there. Include some interactive elements in your newsletters as well, or in your emails as well, like polls, quizzes, or surveys, so that you can increase engagement and gather feedback about what you're doing, whether people are enjoying it, what your products and services are like, what they would like to see you doing. Ask for opinions. Encourage readers to reply with their thoughts or opinions on your content, fostering two-way conversations and hopefully encouraging a deeper engagement again. You can curate content as well. Now, I find this really good, particularly in my line of work where I work across so many different things, and I can recommend a number of platforms, or I can talk about a number of platforms. Content curation is really cool. Share a list of your top performing content or industry news. Maybe talk about a tool that you found or an app that you found that works really well. It's going to provide value and keep your subscribers informed. And we're going to come back to you, because if you're giving them good information, they're going to come back to you and ask you for more, or see what else you've got available for them. You can send follow-up emails to highlight new and related content, which is going to keep your audience engaged over time. So maybe it's not just news that you've got on your website. Maybe it's just not news about your business. Maybe it's news about the industry. Maybe there's something happening that you can send out as an email to people and say, hey, listen, did you know this is happening? You might want to find out about it. Here's some links to it. Here's my thoughts on it. Here's my opinion on it. The last thing that you really need to remember when you're sending it, or the last thing for this video anyway, that you need to remember when you're sending emails out and you're wanting to drive engagement with your content, make sure you have clear call to actions that are going to guide your readers to engage with your content. Things like, read more, read the full article at, watch now, listen here. And you got to tell your subscribers what they need to do, and you need to make it really clear what they need to do. Just remember, there's a lot of calls on your readers' time. There's a lot of things happening in their environment that is going to distract them. And if your call to actions aren't clear, aren't obvious, they may well miss them. And that's more on us than it is on them. What do you guys think? How can you engage with your subscribers better? What content can you include in your newsletters? What have you tried that's worked? What have you tried that hasn't worked? I'd love to know. Leave comments wherever you're watching this video or listening to it. You can leave a DM on our social media networks and I will respond to you. You can come across to my locals community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com. Join the conversation there. I'd love to hear from you. If you can, remember to like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. That's it for this one. I'm going to wish you a really successful and happy day. And tomorrow we're going to talk about crisis communication and how email can help you with that. Talk to you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.